Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we still have s, so I need to put number 3 go to the left, and we have u square minus 3 equals to s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, you got about 2u du. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have the s. This is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Now, the square root we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by 2u du. Now, number 2 we put in here. U and u we have u square. U square multiplied by u square and number 3. So you got about u to the power of 4 and 3u square. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put about c, that's about the constant. About u, that is about this one. Number 3, we simplify. Next, about this one, we can do about factorization by the square root of s plus 3 to the power of 3 in here. So this one you got about s plus 3. Number 1, that's about 5 over 5. So we combine two fractions together. And 3 minus 5, we have negative number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.